Hello,
Hello, Abby. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am great, thank you.
Great. And your name is Mohammed?
Ramzan.
Ramzan. That's nice and easy for me. Where are you calling from, Ramzan?
I am calling from India,
India. Where in India?
in the northern part, that is Jammu and Kashmir.
Oh, okay. Nice, nice. And what time is it there with you?
Yes, we have 7:49 p.m.
Oh, it's 7:49. Okay. Great.
And you have?
It is 20 past 2 or 2:20 in the afternoon.
Okay.
Yeah. So have you had
So,
a good day?
yes, we have a good day, and now I started my day because I try to work. I mean, I do the coding in night.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
Oh, nice. So you work at night?
yes.
Okay. What do you do for work?
I am a software developer, so
Okay.
I develop websites and mobile apps.
Oh, wow. Well done. So I feel like you would be very busy at the moment. Everyone has an app or wants an app.
Yes, yes, correct.
Yes. Oh, brilliant. Have you worked on any apps that I would know?
Yes, I am working on few tools which are like grammar checker, readability checker, and these type of marketing tools and all.
Oh, brilliant. Oh, that's really good. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
That is a practical work, and I try to implement the things.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Oh, great. Oh, that's so good. So what time tonight do you start work?
Yes, after ending this Cambly conversation, I will be starting over there.
Oh, okay. And do you work from home or do you have to go somewhere?
Yes, I work from home. I have my own office.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. Oh, that's so good. How long have you been working on apps?
From last 3 years, I am working on them. That
Yeah. Oh,
yes,
brilliant. Oh, that's so good. And is India affected at the moment with COVID, or is everything back open, or are things still closed?
yes, everything is open now, but yes, affected
Mm-hmm.
the economy, and there are a lot of things which stopped while pandemic, and because of which the improvement of the I mean education system and also all the things were not opened.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, that's so good that things are back open now, though.
Yes. So, what's your profession?
So I'm a dental assistant.
Oh, wow, great. So, I had the problem, so I maybe you will give me the
Oh,
suggestion.
tell me.
So, the problem here is like when I brushed the teeth, so in my molar, we will call, right?
Yeah,
So,
perfect.
those teeth on the upper side, there is a small scratch.
Okay.
So when I try to drink the water, or yes, that type of, yeah, or maybe much hot water or much colder water, so I could not able to drink.
Oh, okay. So instead of a scratch, we would say a crack.
Yes, crack.
A crack. Okay. Okay. So, when you drink hot or cold,
Yes,
does it ache for a long time or is it short and sharp? Like, ooh, and then it's gone.
yes, yes.
Oh, so it's short and sharp.
Sure. Yes,
Okay.
sure.
And does it keep you up at night time? Does it get worse at night time?
You mean that whenever I try to drink,
Oh, okay. So whenever you get the short and sharp pain.
yes, but while brushing the teeth,
Uh-huh.
at that moment when I put the water inside my mouth, so
Yeah.
at that moment I feel.
So even brushing your teeth, you can feel it.
No, while brushing I don't feel, but
Oh,
after
okay.
after brushing, when I try to put the water inside my
Oh,
mouth, so at
yeah.
that moment I feel.
Right, I get you. And do you remember breaking your tooth on anything? Do you remember when it cracked or no, you don't remember?
No, actually, that is not a crack.
No?
You can call it like from the upper portion of the teeth from where it grown up. So over there, there is a small line.
Oh, so it's just very small line.
Yes.
Okay, I think maybe that the enamel has worn away and the dentine underneath is exposed, and that will give you
Yes.
sensitivity. So
Yes, correct.
the best thing to do is to buy a sensitive toothpaste and brush with that. And don't brush with cold water, brush with warm water. But then after
Mhm.
you finish brushing, don't wash your mouth out with water. Keep the toothpaste in your mouth,
Mhm.
and then you can get a little bit of the toothpaste on your finger and put it
Mhm.
directly where the tooth is and rub it where you feel like the crack or the scratches, and then that
Mhm.
should help to coat over the enamel, and then hopefully then the dentine won't be so sensitive.
Oh, okay, great. So you mean that I have that type of toothpaste.
You do have sensitive toothpaste.
Yes,
Oh,
but I had the fear that if I am brushing the teeth, then because of which maybe there would be a big damage. So I brush for slightly and for only a small time.
right. No, it is fine. Honestly, you will never do bad by brushing your teeth. So, the only thing I would say is after you brush your teeth, don't swill your mouth out with water. Keep the
Mhm.
toothpaste in there, and then put an extra little bit on your finger and rub it on. And hopefully that will help. If it doesn't help, then maybe you need to get an X-ray because maybe the nerve is affected. Hopefully not, but hopefully that will do it for now.
Yes, okay, great. So, yes, that was a great advice for me because this was the right way. So, there were people who were suggesting me that you have to feel the teeth. I mean, there is a type of feeling.
What do you mean feeling? Like with your finger feeling or with your tongue?
Feeling,
Oh,
Filling.
filling. I'm sorry, filling. Okay. I
Yes.
mean, maybe, but to me, the first thing I would do is I would do that first. And then if that doesn't work, then I would go and get an x-ray, and then maybe you need filling. But for me, I would always do the toothpaste first and no swill out. And then see, because if that fixes it, you don't have to have a filling.
Okay, okay, no problem. So I will try this specific method.
Yeah.
So yes, that's great. So can you suggest me any important way to improve my pronunciation, like accent?
Your accent. I feel like you speak very clearly. I can understand everything.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, I just got confused with feeling or filling.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe that's just a bit of accent. Um, but I feel like you're very good. I feel like you're very clear when you speak.
Mm-hmm.
And you also speak very nice, and um, you have like a nice pace to your speech. You're not too fast, you're not too slow. You have a good pace to your speech. So far it's very good. I know it says on here to correct you after every mistake, but you've not really made any mistake for me to correct you. I am trying to listen for one, but I haven't heard one.
Okay, okay, no problem. So, okay, I will try to. Actually, there are some pronunciation videos, so I will be
Uh-huh.
trying to follow those. And because there are type of what we will call like a specific ladder. So,
Hmm.
how we will be pronouncing that? So, there are sounds online.
Hmm.
So, if we will try to focus on those, so maybe we can improve more.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Would you like to do that? Oh, we've only got 3 minutes left. I was going to say maybe we could try and do a quick lesson, but I think maybe we only have 3 minutes, so maybe we won't have time.
Yes.
Maybe another time we can do it.
Okay, no problem. So just take my test of any specific thing which you are thinking that can help me.
Oh, this is good. Um this is pronunciation, but this is tongue twisters. Have you done this before?
Yes, in one of the lesson I did.
Okay. We will try this one. Peter Piper.
Peter Piper.
Okay, do you want to try and read this one?
Yes, yes. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers, Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, where's the pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Oh, look at that. What a professional. That was so good.
Please give me one more practical exercise.
Okay, let's have a look. What about this one?
And also send me the link of it. Yes, this I have practiced already.
You've done that one? Okay, we'll do another one. Have you done this one?
This one also.
You've already done it?
Yes.
You're too good. No wonder you're good.
Is there anyone else? Any else?
This one?
Yes, that's good.
Okay, do you want to read that for us?
Betty Botter. Betty Botter. Butter or butter? I mean, if I am using American accent, then that would be butter.
Botter.
Bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of butter will make my batter but better. So T was what's this word?
That is short for it was. So
Okay.
it's British, so you say twas.
So twas.
Perfect.
Better Betty butter bought a bit of better butter.
That's so difficult.
Yes.
That was really good.
There is a lot of practice inside of it.
Yeah, I think this one's definitely good because so many of the words are so similar, like the butter and the butter. You really have to get the O and the U. Butter, butter.
Yes.
And that's a great British slang word for you to know. Twas.
Yes, this was the new word for me.
Yeah, perfect. We got a new word for the day. Twas.
Yes, twas.
Brilliant. Oh, that was so much fun. I really enjoyed listening to you.
Yes, thank you. So yes, this please send me the link of this specific exercise.
Okay.
If you have.
Yeah, I'll do that
I will
now.
be practicing.
Yeah, perfect. Next time you'll say it with your eyes closed.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Take care. Bye.